Okay, so we are doing the raw water pumps. This one I put together yesterday. The video got interrupted too many times on it. Came out like garbage. Or no, we did this one yesterday. So that one's done. Couldn't get video of that because too many interruptions. So we're gonna, this is one I took apart before and we had this bad impeller. So now we're gonna take the other one apart. So we will take this apart. And what I did that I didn't do on the other one is mark the housing to the bracket so I don't have any problems putting it back on. Let's see. Something else I want to mark here too. This is going to be the only one. And I think it's someone else marked it with a paint marker. This is the only one that doesn't go through. Found out I have to reuse the old bolts because the new bolts that come in here in the pack are not long enough, or someone had changed them before. That's Mark II, because that bolt is actually shorter. Interesting. This thing's been taken apart and put together. Before, obviously, because it couldn't have went 30 years. Couldn't have went 30 years without changing the pumps. There's no possible way. Okay, let's see how this one looks. Let's see how this one looks. There's the wear plate. It's pretty worn. Pretty worn out there. Hey Brandon. Yeah? Go get my phone. I want to take a picture of this thing. So, I'm going to take a picture so I put it back together right. Get this O-ring out of here. Got an O-ring here. Comes in the kit. I'll clean that face up. Get some acetone. Just clean the face up on this thing. There we go. Take a picture of this. right here. Take a picture of that so I know what I'm doing. I'll take this one out. Actually, I don't have to take it out of here. I'm just taking it out here. Look and see how bad it is, because the other one I get a new housing and everything. Come on out of there. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty scored up. Throw that one there. This one is not as bad as, yeah, there, split there, split there, split there. So those are good. Get wear plate out. O-rings. Does come with new bolts, but I'm reusing the old ones. Like to use some plumber's grease on my O-rings. Just helps seal them better, and I just put the O-ring in there, pull it through, just to lube it up enough, and put this in here. Like so. Also putting that new impeller in. Oops. Grease this up in here. It's not going to hurt it. It's going to help it. A little lube there. Where's my other O-ring? 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 Ah, here it is. So just put your finger in there, pull it through, and that O-ring goes over here. Right, like so. And now the fun part. Got to get it back together. So let me look at my picture. So I got the 3 at the bottom, 2 at the top, and I have to, let's see, take this off for a minute. I have to put it in like that. Scrunch the vanes down. Boy, oh boy, this is a trick. Man, this is a fun trick to get this thing in here. The veins scrunch down and twist. There. Looking at my picture, make sure I got it right. There we go. So I am the same as my picture. I just center this up. Center that up that way. O-ring back on here. Come on, get on there. Okay, there we go. Still got some grease on here. It's not going to hurt it. New wear plate. And let's see. I have to line up my bracket with my wear plate. Where's my mark? That would be my mark. Oh! I'm assuming that doesn't go there. I think it's there. Nope, not there. I know I marked it here. Let me see if that's right. Does it line up? No, that don't line up. Let me line this up really quick. So what I did is I got my other one sitting here. Luckily I do, or I would have been kind of screwed. So I got this one lined up. This one right here, this last one right here, that doesn't go all the way through. So I'll take my impact, just kind of snug it up, and actually we're going to take that back out of there. Put some Loctite on it, blue, not red. And we'll get some Loctite on here. It's not going to hurt it. Snug it up. And then we will start putting it back together. I'm going to have to play around with it to get it. Maybe I should loosen this up a little. There. I think I got it. Trying to line it up is fun. That should line up that. Feel right. That's better. That's good. I got nuts going on the backside, so I'll put the nuts on the backside there. There we go. Oh, I mean, what the heck was that? Right there. Let me just make sure. sure I'm lined up with the other one. How that is. And that would be a yes. So we'll put some Loctite on here, 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 there. Our washers put back on with their nuts. And this might be a little different than yours. You never know. I don't know. I don't even know if this is the same or the original configuration of mine. Might have been altered at one time. Giving them a little tighten up with the impact, and then we'll tighten these up by hand. Just make sure they're tight. They don't have to, it's sealed by O-ring, so you don't want to over tighten it and crack something. That's it. That's how long it takes to rebuild one of these pumps. Second time around, because the first time around it's like trying to figure out what the heck you're doing, not marking stuff. Yeah, it becomes a guessing game. But we had two of them sitting here, took part one, didn't take part both, and putting that first one back together was kind of funny. I didn't get video of it because, well, I got video, but I got interrupted 10 different times. But pumps are done. They're going in this weekend. But you know, that's got a lot of wear to it. Impellers have a lot of wear. Don't know when the last time they were changed. I have no history on the boat, so. It is what it is. Alright. Like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.